In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the URL Roblox Protocol error. This error can be quite a nuisance, especially when you're trying to connect with your friends for a great gaming session. Fortunately, with a few simple steps, you can resolve this issue and get back to enjoying your favorite Roblox games without hiccups. First, let's make sure your internet connection is stable. A weak or intermittent connection can sometimes trigger this error. You'll want to verify that you're connected to your Wi-Fi or Ethernet network and that the connection is strong. Have a glance at your router or modem if you see any blinking lights or see that the status indicators aren't normal. You might need to restart the device. Simply unplug the power cable, wait for about 30 seconds, and then plug it back in. Give it a minute or two to fully reboot before testing your connection again. Next, let's address the security software on your computer, as it can sometimes block certain web protocols. Open your antivirus or firewall program and look for settings that might be interfering with Roblox's launch. You might find a section for exceptions, where you can add Roblox to the list of allowed applications. Be sure you've permitted Roblox to communicate over networks both private and public. This helps you ensure that security measures aren't mistakenly identifying it as a threat. Now, it's time to check if your browser needs an update, as outdated versions can lead to compatibility issues. Navigate to your browser settings or help menu and look for an About section. Here, you should find an update check. If updates are available, go ahead and install them so your browser is fully optimized. While in the settings, you should also clear your cache and cookies. A buildup from previous sessions might be causing problems. Once you've done this, restart your browser to apply these changes. After updating and clearing, let's make sure the Roblox application itself is up to date. Open the Roblox app or head to the official website. If there are any prompts to update, follow through with them. Every update brings with it vital patches and fixes, enhancing overall compatibility and performance. Lastly, if you're still having trouble, you might want to consider reinstalling Roblox altogether. This step can often resolve deeper issues that a standard update might not fix. Uninstall the program from your system, delete any residual file folders for a clean start, and then download the latest version from the official Roblox website. Installation is straightforward, just follow the on-screen instructions. With these steps completed, you should no longer experience the URL Roblox Protocol error and can resume your gaming adventures seamlessly. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful. If you have any more questions or need further assistance, feel free to comment below or reach out for support. Happy gaming!